may endure for the night, but joy comes in the morning. The Lord will bring you back in your place like it was before. Like it was before. You will sing a song for the Lord. Again, you will stand and sing again. You will lead praise again. You will preach again. You will be married again. You will wed again. You will sit in the office again. He says, when the Lord brought back the captives of Zion, we were like those who were dreaming. I was reminding us about a man called Jacob. Give us a scripture. Hallelujah. Whose son was taken to slavery, and his brothers came back and they lied around. They told Jacob, did you know? You know what? The one you loved so much, the one you bought a new coat, a coat of many colors, while we were taking care of the sheep, the animals came and ate him. They took the coat that Joseph had. They undressed him. It was a coat of many colors. You see my coat? The coat of many colors. Hallelujah. It was a coat of many colors. So they undressed him and took that coat and put it in blood of animal. Hallelujah. So they came back with wrong news. Hallelujah. But wait, the true good news is coming. Satan has been lying you for a long time. He has been lying you that you never get married. He has been lying you never work again. He has been lying you that you are a failure. That's not true. Which report shall we believe? We shall believe in the report of the Lord. His report says I am healed. His report says I am free. His report says I am rich. His report says his report says I'm not barren. His report says I am chosen. I am called. I am separated. I am special. They lied around Joseph, and for some years Joseph was grieving for his son. He grieved for his son. And there are times when your miracle is buried. Hallelujah. There are times you are here looking for who will marry you. The devil takes your young man, your man, husband to be, and buries him somewhere. And you're crying. And all these, among these ones, nobody loves you. Because the one who loves you has been buried somewhere. But time comes. The God of restoration is a God who restores. I am declaring the month of September to be a month of restoration in the name of Jesus.